Show that this equation can be written as this. So really we're adding two fractions here where the bottom numbers are different, aren't they? Okay. So, when I say numbers, they're algebraic, aren't they? Expressions here in the bottom. So in order to add the fractions, you need to get the bottoms the same. And one way of doing it is simply to multiply what's on the bottom here by what's on the bottom there. So you have x minus 2, x plus 1. But if I multiply the bottom by x plus 1, I've got to times the top by x plus 1 as well to keep the fractions balanced. Plus then 4. Now, this I'll do exactly the same here. I've got x plus 1 already there. I'm going to multiply it then by what's here, x minus 2. So times the top by x minus 2 as well. And that equals 2. So the fractions are balanced, they're the same. But I can add them now, put them on top of one common denominator. So there'll be 5x plus 1 plus 4x minus 2 all over x plus 1, x minus 2. And that equals 2. What I would do then is what's on the bottom here, take it up, multiply, right? So the 5 bracket x plus 1 plus 4 bracket x minus 2 equals 2, x plus 1, x minus 2. Okay, and then expand. So 5x plus 5 plus 4x minus 8. Here then I would expand. I'd keep that 2 where it is, maybe put a square bracket, and now expand all this. So 5x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2, close bracket. This then becomes 9x minus 3. This then, well, if you multiply through by 2, you get 2x squared. That is minus x times 2, so minus 2x minus 4, yeah? Because 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Get everything then onto one side, so 0 will equal 2x squared minus 2x minus 9x minus 4. Take the minus 3 over, it becomes plus 3. So you get 2x squared minus 11x minus 1 equals 0. And we've got what I wanted. Then it says, hence solve this. 2 decimal places. So, think about the formula methods, isn't it? Because usually 2 decimal places. And this here, right, its equivalent is this. So if we solve that, we've solved this. Okay, because that's what this is, isn't it? This became this. We resolved onto this. So you set a to equal 2, because that's what a is there. B is equal to minus 11, and c is equal to minus 1. And then when you do your quadratic thing, x equals minus b, to be minus 11. That's what b is. Plus or minus square root b squared, so it's minus 11 all squared. Take away 4 times a times c all over 2a, so 2 times 2. So x will equal, now minus and minus become a plus. 11 squared there. Let's work out, sorry, inside this square root. I'm trying to do it in my head, but why am I doing that when I've got a calculator? This becomes 129 in here. At the bottom then you get all over 4. So you say then x equals 11 plus square root of 129 over 4. Or x equals 11 minus square root of 129 over 4. So work it out. 11 plus square root 129 over 4. That becomes 5.59 to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places. Minus n, get minus 0.0, now that will become 9 if I round that to 2 decimal places.